Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a Valentine card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account with your ID and password. After logging in, you can see here a search bar. Click here and write Valentine card and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many Valentine card templates, which is thousands of. You can see here. Just choose one which is your choice preference and start customizing. I'm showing you how you can choose and customize. So let's choose this one. If you like this template, or if you want to customize this template, click here, customize this template. Here's your template is ready to edit. Now you can edit every portion you want, like I'm showing you. If you want to zoom it, just click backspace, control and up scroll from the mouse, control plus up scroll, it will be zoomed like this. And now if you want to delete this picture and add your own picture here, just press backspace from your keyboard, it will be removed. Now you can add your picture here. You have to go upload files from your computer. You have to upload pictures from here. After uploading picture, this will be here. Okay, so click here and it will be like here, and you have to drag it in the frame with the mouse. Okay, so it will be adjusted with the frame automatically. So now if you want to use custom picture, just delete it and go here, elements, and write any pictures you want to add, like Valentine picture, and press enter. You will find here many photos. Wait, it's loading. Here you can see many pictures. All you have to just choose one. Let's choose this one. It will be here, and you have to drag it with the frame. It will be automatically adjusted. Now if you want to edit this, just double click and you can edit anything you can write here, but I'm remaining happy. If you want to color this text, just double click and go text color, and you can find many colors here. Just choose one color, it will be colored. If you want to bold it, double click. Sorry, this text cannot be bold. Okay, so now here you can see the 14th. If you want to change the color, just go here and you can change the color like this. Okay, so after completing your work, how you can download it? Go share button here, and you can see here download. If you click on download, you will be suggested by many options: PNG, JPG, anyone you can choose. Just choose one and start downloading. It will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share via mail, go here and choose it, collaborate link, and choose this one, access with the link, and write the email address here, @gmail.com. Now if you click send, this work will be sent to this email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make or customize a Valentine card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.